So hello priceless people and welcome back to the channel. Today Mom and I are off for another adventure, and of course I'm taking you along. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you will love this video, love my vibe, and consider subscribing to the channel. And to all of my existing subscribers, my family members, my priceless family members, welcome back. And let me take these rollers out and let's get to the adventure. So if you're one of my loyal subscribers, you already know I love cooking in my Price's Kitchen. And if you're new here, well, now you know. Your girl, she's something serious in the kitchen. You see these recipes? Do you see these recipes? Of course, all of them are on my channel. You can just simply go to my cooking playlist to check those out before leaving YouTube on today. But I'm not here for that right now. I love cooking, and whenever there's an opportunity for me to stretch my cooking skills, I'm all for it. And so recently I heard there was a class at my local library, so I had to jump on that. So that's what today's video is all about. It's me taking advantage of learning something new. And what was that? What was that, you ask? How to make homemade pasta.
That is just about to go bad because it would have been sitting in my refrigerator and I haven't been home to eat it.
So Chef Rebecca gave us a quick history on pasta, what pasta is made of, and how much cheaper and healthier it can be when we make it at home. And so you know what came after that. It was time for us to try our hand at pasta. So here Mom and I go. So that's me working our dough. And of course, you know what happens next. That's Mama, because you know, she always steps in and says, let me show you how it's done. Back to Chef Rebecca as she gives us more demonstrations and further instructions on how to make the perfect pasta. Chef Rebecca made raviolis and fettuccine. Mom and I decided to make our pasta by hand, the old-fashioned way. A rolling pin and something to cut it with. Okay, so Mom and I, let me get us both in there. So Mom and I, we just finished our pasta making class. And of course, you know, we keep a busy schedule. So we're off to worship. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you soon. I can't wait to use my newfound culinary skill. Who knows when that will be? Well, you won't miss it if you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is set to all.